Hi guys, my name is Claudia. Welcome to my space. Welcome to the Eager Vegan Kenya. Around here we talk about anything and everything veganism. So today we're going to be making simple, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside type of bhajias. I love these bhajias because actually they remind me of those Maru bhajias, the ones at Parklands. I don't think I can go through Parklands without getting those bhajias, but since I am not in Nairobi right now, I'm just going to show you guys how I recreate my own version of the bhajias at home, and I hope you guys like this. If you do, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and support my content. And yeah, let's get to the food, guys. Okay guys, start by peeling and chopping your potatoes. Then you move on to the paste. We'll use 2 cups of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and any other spice you may want to use. Add them, mix them in, and then you gradually add some water and whisk this in until you get the desired consistency of your paste. Once this is done, you go in with some food coloring. I'm using turmeric and I'm just going to whisk it in. Once that is done, go in with your finely chopped coriander leaves and also whisk them in. Once that is done, go in with your potato slices and make sure each and every piece or slice is well coated with the paste. To a pan, we are going to add in some oil and heat it up and check for the temperature with a wooden spoon. Once it's ready, we're going to go in with our slices of potatoes and just let them cook and deep fry for about 4 to 8 minutes or until you notice they're getting golden brown and they're well cooked. Guys, keep adding them in, but make sure you don't crowd your pan because this lowers the temperature of your oil and you're only going to end up with soggy, oily bhajias as opposed to crispy on the outside, soft on the inside bhajias. Keep tossing and checking on them, and once they're ready, just place them to a tray that is lined with some serviette or some kitchen towels. This is going to help soak up the oil from the bhajias and just give you a fine product at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share with anyone who you think would love to make or try and make this stuff at home. It's amazing, it's easy, as you guys have seen. Just let me know what you think about this, whether you've had this bhajias, how they turn out, and remember to tag me on my socials at the Eager Vegan Kenya on each and every platform. And I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.